When it comes to international money transfers, one of the most common questions individuals and businesses ask is, what's the maximum amount I can send? This isn't just about convenience. It's a critical financial planning consideration. With a service like Wise, formerly TransferWise, which has revolutionized cross-border payments, understanding these limits is essential for seamless transactions. As a finance expert, let me shed light on Wise's transfer limits, explaining how they work, why they exist, and what you need to know to send both small and large sums effectively. The dynamic nature of transfer limits. Unlike a simple fixed amount for all transfers, Wise's transfer limits are dynamic. This means they can vary based on several factors: the currencies involved, the currency you are sending from, and the currency you are sending to significantly impact the maximum transfer amount. For example, sending US dollars, USD, might have different limits than sending British pounds, GBP, or Nigerian naira, NGN. Your payment method, how you pay for your transfer, e.g., bank transfer, debit card, credit card, or from your Wise balance, can also affect the limit. Debit and credit card payments often have lower per-transaction limits due to associated risks and processing fees. Your location, registered address, the country where your Wise account is registered can influence the limits, as Wise operates under different regulations in various jurisdictions. Your verification status. For larger transfers, Wise, like all regulated financial institutions, has a responsibility to verify your identity and, in some cases, the source of your funds. Unverified or newly verified accounts may have lower initial limits. Personal versus business accounts. Wise offers both personal and business accounts often come with higher transfer limits to accommodate commercial needs. General Wise transfer limits. A glimpse. While it's impossible to list every single currency pair's limit here, Wise supports over 160 countries. I can provide some general examples to give you an idea of the scale. For many major currencies like USD, Euro, and GBP, Wise allows transfers of up to $1 million or equivalent for local bank transfers. For wire transfers, this can go up to $6 million. For Euro, you can typically send up to 6 million euros per transfer. For Canadian dollars, CAD, bank transfers can sometimes be unlimited, while other payment methods like direct debit or debit/credit card will have specific daily or weekly limits. When sending to Nigerian naira, NGN, Wise currently has a monthly limit of up to £160,000, or its NGN equivalent. This is a crucial limit for many users in Nigeria. Important note, these figures are general guidelines and are subject to change. The most accurate and up-to-date limits for your specific transfer will always be displayed when you set up your transfer on the Wise website or in their mobile app. They have a built-in calculator that shows you the exact maximum you can send for your chosen currencies and payment method. Why do limits exist? The regulatory and security angle. You might wonder why these limits are in place, especially when you're dealing with your own money. The reasons are primarily rooted in anti-money laundering, AML, and counter-terrorist financing, CTF, regulations. Financial institutions worldwide are legally obligated to prevent money laundering and terrorist financing. Setting transfer limits and requiring verification for larger sums helps Wise comply with these strict regulations. Preventing illicit activities. Fraud prevention. Limits act as a safeguard against fraud. If a scammer gains unauthorized access to an account, limits help restrict the amount of money they can steal in a single transaction. Risk management. Processing large sums of money involves inherent financial risks. Limits help Wise manage its own exposure and maintain the stability of its operations. Payment network limitations. Sometimes, the underlying payment networks in certain countries or for specific payment methods might have their own technical limits that Wise must adhere to.